I would like to start with this cartoon 3D rendering image. I make a selection using Ellipse selection tool. I go to Layer, Mask, Add Layer Mask. I choose Selection, and Add. Because I only have one layer, none selected parts become transparent. Next, I create new layer and fill it with blacks. Bring the layer below. Duplicate the image layer. Bring the layer all the way down. For this layer, I don't need the mask. Deselect everything. Select the black layer. You can make opacity adjustment. This works on all images with multiple elements fighting for viewer focus. First, we open up the photo we want to use in GIMP. Let's zoom in. We use the Path tool to roughly select the girl. You complete the path by clicking the first point. Make selection by going to Select from Path. Just select another tool. Shift Q. Using the brush tool, paint with black the area you want to exclude from the selection. I want to improve the composition of this photo. I want to guide the viewer to what is important. Focal element is something that the viewer is drawn to immediately.
A few moments later.
Shift Q again to toggle to selection. Go to Layer, Mask. Add Layers Mask. Choose Selection. If the effect you're going for to be applied on the selection, then choose Invert Mask. Click Add. I duplicate the layer. Right-clicking. Choose Delete Layer Mask. I deselect by going Select, None. Apply Grayscale Effect by using Colorify. Now, we fix the focal point of this image, which is the girl. We reduce the viewer's attention to the reflection of the girl. That's it. Thanks for watching.